Hey guys, welcome back to the Adams Windy Ridge Farmer YouTube channel. I thought I'd do a little video of sharpening the sickle bar and how I do it. So hopefully y'all like the video. So I got this sickle bar and it needs to be sharpened before we start cutting hay. It's off a John Deere sickle mower. So all I do is I get me one of these flat grinding discs. They're made for cutting. And just lightly go 1 or 2, 3 times on each side. And these are what the ones have already looked like that I haven't sharpened. Here's what the ones look like I have sharpened. The way it does, it gives you a fresh cutting side on the bottom. There you go, a perfectly sharpened sickle bar. Hopefully this tip helped you out.